We have learned how to convert a coordinate from decimal degrees to UTM by plotting one by one in one of my earlier videos. But when there are a large number of databases which have to be converted from DDs, decimal degrees, to UTM, it takes huge time if you plot one by one, and also there will be a chance of typographical error. Today we will learn how to convert large database of coordinates from decimal degrees to UTM and create point layer of all coordinates within a moment using QGIS. Here is our Excel file where I have 6 coordinates in decimal degrees. So you may have a large number of data set. For this video purpose I have only 6 database. So we have to first save this Excel file to CSV file, that is comma separated value file. So file, save as, and save this file. I just rename it as CSV points decimal degree and change the type to CSV, that is comma delimited. Save. So the file, the Excel file is saved into the CSV file. Now I go to, this is our QGIS. I have already import base map, base satellite here. So the next step, we have to go to layer and then add layer, and to this add delimited text layer. I click it here and I have to select that CSV file which I have just saved. So this is the file. Open. Once I open it, I have seen that the sample data is shown here. So file format is same. Sometimes if this geometry is not opened, you just expand it, and point coordinate, select this point coordinate, and X field is always the longitude, and Y field is latitude. And then what we have to do, we have to set the geometry CRS. So as this is in decimal degrees, so we have to select this WGS84 UPSG 4326 WGS84. So you have to select it and then click add and close. You will see that the layers come, all the coordinates in Excel file is come here as shown here in point layers. So we can save it to the shape file by right clicking on the layer to export, save features as, and from this format I select history shape file. I give a name of the file, save points, and then save, and everything is okay. So no need to change anything. So this is, keep this as CRS is WGS84, everything is same. It no need to save his map, or you can keep it so that this shape file will appear in the layer panel. Click OK. So this point has successfully saved, and this is our shape file. Now I will go to my the second part of this video, and this is we have to convert the decimal degrees into UTM. For that, we go to our main file, main CSV file, not the shape file. I remove this from here to avoid confusion, and right click, export and save as same as for creating point file, but here format will be the CSV, comma separated value, and I have to give a file name here. So here I give this points DDs to change this as UTM, because I am now going to convert the decimal degree to UTM. And now what I have to do is, now I have to change this CRS and to UTM. So this is the area of Kolkata, and its zone is 45, northern hemisphere. So if you do not know the zone of your particular area, I have already made videos. We can find it from Google Earth. We'll find it from our last video where I show you how to convert DDs to DMS to UTM to DDs. So there also. So and we have to select this only because now I have to convert it to degree decimals to UTM. So the layer CSR will be the UTMs. Now keep everything as same as it is. Now I have to expand the geometry, the layer options here. Under layer options, you go to geometry and you click it as XY and click OK, and you will find the CSV file here. You can open it files from here itself. This is the CSV UTM. I can open. Yes, this is the, X is the easting and Y is the northing. So this conversion is done as XY, because as I already told that the X is always longitude and longitude is easting and Y is latitude, as it is northing. So if I see it from the QGIS, I can go to the attribute table here and I will see that all the latitude and longitude here is converted to easting and northing. Thank you for watching this video and your patience.